So welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So we've finished polishing the edges of our piece of base acrylic, and now we're about to drill our holes. So we've got the 1.5mm drill in, and we're going to drill a series of holes. You're going to drill the holes for the transistor, you're going to drill the holes for your resistor 1, which is 68K, you're going to drill the holes for your 120 ohm resistor, which is resistor 2, you're going to drill the holes for the wire wand, and then you're going to change that to a 2.5mm for the maze holes, a 5mm for the LEDs, and a 6mm for the switch. So I'm going to start with the 2.5mm, 1.5 2mm drill for the transistor, the resistors. It's going to get pretty noisy. Let's see how we go. Make sure you've got safety glasses on. Lined up in the centre. Nice and light pressure. Just nice and easy. Way through. So drill it in the middle of the hole. Got my safety glasses on. So it's transistor, one resistor, the wand wire, and resistor number 2, which is the 120 ohm. Just finger pressure, nice and light, nice and easy. That's it. And stop. So before you use the drill press, you need to have done the on-guard training for the drill press. You need to have seen my demonstration on the safety of the drill press, and then you'll need to have shown me you can do this as part of the competency. So now we've got our holes drilled on our board. That's the 2mm holes. We're now going to go and do the 2.5mm hole for the wire maze. So let's drill those now. I'm now going to change over to another drill bit for the 5mm holes for the change over to another drill machine to the 5mm holes for the LEDs, and then the last hole, which is the switch hole, which is a 6mm. So join me in the next session where we do that.